National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Alabama until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located just to the north and west of Fort Payne, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Little River Canyon National Preserve, Little River Falls, New Moon, Broomtown, Chesterfield, and Little River Canyon NP. To repeat, a tornado has been reported on the ground, with significant damage reported in DeKalb County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.